Hey guys, welcome to the Able Farmer channel. I haven't had a video out for a while because I had a little bit of technical difficulties. My camera that I normally shoot my videos with, I knocked it over and I think I broke it. And that sucks. So until I come up with a replacement, I'm using my phone right now. And I just wanted to give you guys a little bit of an update. I actually tried to do a video when we butchered a pig for my brother's wedding. I do have a little bit of footage of that, and I'll insert that here. So, got it. Okay, that was effective. That gets your adrenaline going. It went pretty well. I mean, I think it was dead about instantly. I don't know what to say. I guess it's time to hook it up. £134. Installed in the pig. Alright, we had a bunch of rain yesterday, so we had to hurry, but we have the hair off this pig. I got it split, and I'm getting ready to cut it into reasonable sized pieces, and I'm going to wrap it in foil, and I got the cooker going. I'll show you the cooker, and yeah, that's all we're doing. It is the next day. I don't know if you knew that, but it's the next day, and we're just going to continue to clean this up and get it ready to go. And then midway through the video, I ended up breaking my camera. But overall, it went really well. I definitely learned a lot, and I learned a lot with different equipment. And you can see the hoist that I used to lift the pig. It was 134 pounds, and it produced 3 full roasters of meat, and it was plenty. So I'm super happy with how that turned out, and I've got a lot of ideas going with building my own cooker. I used my cousin's cooker, actually. He let me borrow it, and it worked really, really well, and I got to learn, how it's constructed and stuff. I just wanted to show you guys my pigs up here. It is hot, and I built them a shelter. I believe I showed you guys, but it worked great, and I couldn't have been happier with it until one day I came home and it was completely flattened. They completely destroyed it, if you could see it. But I tried fixing it, and there was no fixing it. They were on top of it, bent the cattle panels all up, and just they didn't mess with it. And then just one day, they decided they're going to destroy it. So the other day, I built a new shelter, and it's this little lean-to here, and I'm going to show you it. The shelter is very important because we're out here in the field, you can see, so they have absolutely no shades. This is the only shade that they have. Today, I am going to put a piece of tin on the back side right here my neighbor gave me, and that'll help aid in the shade. Because the one bad thing about having it up here is I can't really make a wallow for them. So shade is critical to keep these guys healthy and cool. And you see them here hanging out by the water. Now they were all under there until I came up here, but they're looking for me to feed them, which I'm about to feed them. So I'm gonna go ahead, get these guys some food. Sorry for the choppy camera work, but you know, I'm using my phone, so it's pretty hard to hold my phone and do things at the same time. So I'm gonna go ahead and get these guys some food. Break time. Alright guys, I got it done. Woo! It is hot. You see here, I put a back and sides on this thing. I mean, it's not real pretty, but the pigs don't care. Hopefully they won't destroy it. I'll show you. It is hot. It is definitely hot. I angled it a little bit to the south to try to give them a little bit more shade. And at least they can get in there out of the sun. Well, that's the video. I just wanted to kind of update you guys why I haven't had a video out lately with the whole camera deal. So I'm going to look around and I'm going to try to acquire something that I can get these videos out. So thanks for watching. I hope you guys subscribe. And see you in the next video. Bye.